What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you are having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, we are talking about some heat today, some Kyrie 5s once again. A lot of people have been asking a few different questions and we're gonna go over it, man. How to lace these things up, how to loosen them up, and just different ways to rock them. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some lace swaps, as well as a couple ways to lace up the Kyries for different situations, whether it be casual or on the court. If this video helps you, make sure you smash the like button. If you enjoy, you gotta hit that like button. Also, leave comments, anything you guys wanna know, I'll help you out as much as I can. I've seen a few different videos on these things. We're gonna put it all together and I give you guys my take on it, and then we're gonna get on from there. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get to the video, you dig? All right, we got all these different laces here. We got some white laces, we got some teal laces, which actually come from my Foamposite Weathermans, but we're gonna try them out in the Kyrie 5s. Got the Volt Green from the Concepts, and I got this blue one here from my PGs. Just to go ahead, because we're gonna do some lace swaps on these Kyrie 5 UFOs to see if we can see what the laces look like with those, as well as the questions that we've been having the most about different ways of lacing things up and how to loosen them, how to get them on, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, we're gonna go into this Kyrie 5 Black Magic to go into the different ways to lace them up, and then we'll get into the UFO about lace swapping, you feel me? Let's go ahead. So as you can see, the fly wire is connected here over the mid part of the shoe. Really locks you in, gives you great traction and support, or great support for your foot, you feel me? These things are pretty crazy, kind of hard to get on and off for a lot of people, but this is one pretty much with the laces all the way taken off, and I just want to show you guys a few things. Of course, this fly trap is locked down by this fly wire right here, connected to the bottom part of the shoe. What I will be showing you in this part of the video is how to wear these, or a suggested way to wear these for casual wear, where you can get them on easily and off, because I know if you want to wear these for casual and it's kind of tough to get in, it might discourage you because you can't just slide these things on. Recommended only if you own your own pair of Kyries and don't mind doing this. I mean, of course, it's not going to mess up your shoe. One suggestion I have might completely change the shoe all the way around, but if you're into customs, then you won't be mad. So without further ado, let's check this out. So you have the connection of the fly wire right here that goes through the fly trap. This is where you normally stick your laces through. As you can see on the middle one, what I did here was kind of take it out. So what you can do is you take it all the way out, right? So we do that there for this one. We'll go ahead and do it here for this one. Make sure I get it the best way. Pull it through, boom, right? And then see, pulling it through the final part right there, completely loosens it all the way up, right? So now you're completely open with the shoe. You can get in as wide as you need to. Wide foot, narrow foot, doesn't matter. Excuse the debris on my foot. I wear these shoes, you feel me? So now you have it completely naked. You can wear it however you want to now. Pretty dope. So what I'm gonna do is, these normally come with some black laces, but in the background you can see I put white laces. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that with some colorful laces here, just so it can stand out to you. So we'll go ahead and do it with some Volt, even though it has nothing to do with the matching of the shoe. We're just going with the Volt laces just so you guys can kind of see how it plays out. Now, some people, like I said, an alteration you can make with this shoe, if you want to go ahead and you want to keep it this way, some people would just tend to cut this part off completely. But I don't want to suggest that. I'm not going to do that for this video, but it might slide through if you're not tight enough. So we're going to tuck those back, right? We're going to tuck those behind there so you kind of get this look, right? Where it's just the fly trap and the lacing. So what you're going to do is, so there are one of two ways you can do it, and we'll show you both ways. I'll try to speed it up. Hopefully this video doesn't take too long for you guys, but those of you guys really want to know how to do this, maybe this video can help you and you want me to take as long as possible. I don't know. So go ahead and take the lacing through the end and put it through the fly wire here at the end, right? Boom. So it still crosses over. Wait, no, excuse me, my bad. You want to go from there and go through here with your lace, right? Pop that through the fly trap area, and then through the fly wire, right? Then through the fly wire, right? So you guys can see how it's going right across the shoe. Keep it right there so you guys can see it. Line these things up so we just, have it right for the video. And this is, like I said, again, for casual wear, because if you do this for basketball, it might be too loose for you. I don't know, I haven't tried that. So then we're gonna go ahead and switch it on over here, lace it up there, boom, boom, right? This is something pretty dope and pretty different, man. You know, I'm glad I'm able to help you guys out with this. Some people have asked me about this, so now finally have time to get this video in. So we switch it through there, and then this one, once again, we go through the fly trap, and then go through just the fly wire connected to the shoe. Right? You see that? Boom. You still got that crossover action. Lacing looks a little bit different, almost gives you a custom feel to it already, just by how exaggerated the lacing is. Pretty dope, right? I think it is. Then you just continue to lace. Put this through here, right? Let me know, is this something that you guys would like to do for your shoe or not? It makes it really easy to get these things on and off. Boom. Then one more time through the fly trap area, and then through the final fly wire. Yeah, these volt laces can really help you guys see what's going on, right? So you guys see it's still the same, still really good. We're gonna show you guys the difference between this one and another, right? This one on the right side is for hooping, actually playing. This one right here, like I said before, is for casual wear. Then you can just go on up the top. Go on up the top of them. Lacing still looks different. You don't lose anything. You can keep the fly trap part, the fly wire actually, just tucked in back here, you know what I'm saying? And it still laces up normal. The lacing is still enough. You don't lose anything and have extra laces hanging or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? And it comes out, let me get this last one in here. Comes out good. Comes out good looking uniform. You know what I'm saying? Gives it a different feel to it. Like I said, I put the volt laces in here just to switch it up a tad bit, let you guys really see what's going on with the shoe. Still looks dope. Let me know what you guys think about this lacing. Like I said, this is for casual use. If you guys just want to slide these on and off without any type of, you know, struggle, because these shoes can be a struggle. Let me go ahead and show you guys. When I unlace them, I could go like that too, right? Boom, 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 pull these out. And you guys will see how easily, see how wide that opens up? See how easily and wide that opens up? You can slide your foot right up in there, right in there. You know what I'm saying? So that is definitely a way you can try and lace these up with casual wear. You guys can keep these parts laced on. If you guys want to make this shoe like a convertible, or like a, make it like a sport car, you know how you have the normal mode and you have the sport mode. I would say this lacing right here that I'm showing you guys is the casual, just cruising around, chilling. Then if you got like, you get like a text from the homie, or somebody hit you up on IG or something and say, let's go hoop, we hooping here now. And then you need to go ahead and lock down. All you gotta do is swip it around with that fly trap, and then you're good to go. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like to lace them up for the performance. Then it's like, oh man, come on Bossco, you gotta put that thing in sports so we can get on the court. And they're like, yo Bossco, we gotta go play a game real quick. Just recording this again to make sure I'm right. You take this lace, right? Put the fly wire through this fly wire, right? Swoop that thing through. Let's make sure we get this up close. And you guys can see, boom. Get that, and you're gonna snatch that through, of course, this hole right here. You're gonna snatch it through this hole on the fly trap, like so. Get the lacing over here like this. And then you're back laced down, locked down like you was locked down before. You can lace them up like so, and you're ready to go. Like I said, you repeat the same process for this one, for these two, to get right back into that sport mode, get on the court and take some ankles, you feel me? So now that you have these things side by side, right, let me move this. Now that we have these things side by side, which way do you guys like it? You have your casual cruise mode, and then you have your sport mode. I don't know if you can really tell the difference with the lacing like this, but you guys already saw me break it down in the video. Sport mode, casual mode. If you guys had a choice, does it matter? I mean, if you wear your shoes for casual, this might be perfect for you, but you might still want the security in the lacing if you do it this way for casual. Just throwing that out there. I don't recommend the casual wear for wearing to hoop in though. I don't recommend that. That loses some of your support. Don't do that. The shoe is made to be having the max support as possible. That's what makes this shoe so dope. But if you wear these for casual and hooping, you have two different ways you can go about it, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, if it helps you out at all, please hit the like button, share this video, let everybody in the world know what's going on. Shout out to everybody who is subscribed. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscription button with notification bells on, of course, as always. And your boy Bossco, once again, I'm about to get out of here. I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.